In this video, I'll detail how to add trusted places to Samsung Galaxy device. So in this case, when you add any trusted place to your Samsung phone will remain unlocked whenever you're in this location. So whoever holds your phone will be able to access your Samsung phone, so you need to take note of that. So if at the end of this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can add trusted places to your Samsung phone to make your Samsung phone unlocked automatically. So you can add places like your home, offices, or most places that you use while on the go. So the first one to do here is go to your Samsung phone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down and then select lock screen and HOD. Then go ahead and click on extend unlock. Then type in your Samsung phone PIN, password, or pattern and hit the continue button to open the extend unlock page. Click on got it. Then tap trusted places. Once you click on that, you should see your Google account. Then come here and click on add trusted places or add trusted place. Then your Samsung phone is going to use the Google map to automatically search the current location where you are trying to add the trusted place. Now you should see trusted places to your location here. Now if you want to change this place, you can just swipe through the maps and then locate the place you want to add to your Samsung phone trusted place. So once you can locate this place, all you just need to do is drop the pin. So once that is done, locate the place on the maps here, then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the place, you see a pop that says, do you want to add this place as trusted place on your Samsung Galaxy phone? Click on OK. Then this place will be added as trusted place. Then you can go ahead and add another trusted place. You can add your office, you can add your home, then you can add anywhere you know, whatever you have, your phone is safe and secure. Then once that is done, hit the back button and then that is it. So whenever your Samsung phone is in this location, your Samsung phone will be unlocked automatically. So unlock it just once and put your Samsung phone here, and you no longer need to unlock your Samsung phone whenever you want to use it again. So this could be dangerous for security breach. So if you don't want to use this, just go back and then tap extend unlock, sign in, continue, and then click on trusted places. Then click on it once and then tap delete. Then repeat the process again to delete trusted places on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you found this video informative on how you can easily add trusted places to Samsung Galaxy phone, please don't forget to like and subscribe.